coming in right now. Jitan Ram Manjhi and his son have reached Amit Shah's residence as we speak. Remember, Jitan Ram Manjhi is all set to join the Union Council of Ministers. What position he gets, it's likely it could be a cabinet rank, but we don't know. At the moment, he's been former Chief Minister of the state of Bihar, elected to the 18th Lok Sabha on a Hindustan Awami Morcha ticket. Ashutosh, my colleague, is now joining us for more on this. Jitan Ram Manjhi and son have reached Amit Shah's residence. Ashutosh.
They will be meeting because the call, in fact, the call that came very much in front of me, and they decided to go to meet Amit Shah, and then of course they'll be joining for the Prime Minister residence at 11:30, and clearly that's one confirmation that Jitan Ram Manjhi will be in the Union Cabinet. His son is already in the NDA government in Bihar, and now both father and son will be ministers, one in Union, one in the state. So clearly this is what it looks like, Paulami, that more than Uttar Pradesh or probably any other state, Bihar will have more potential and perhaps a more powerful state this time in the Union Cabinet. And it won't be exaggerated saying that Bihar could be perhaps epicenter of the NDA regime 3.2. In fact, one slogan, what was hearing from the Hum sources, the Hindustani Awami Morcha, that Dabdaba Kayam Rahega. So all I see, the number of the Manjhi supporters, one after one, distributing sweets. They one after one reaching to the national capital. And right after swearing in ceremony, probably Manjhi will join his office from tomorrow. But most important to note that what are the key portfolios that the Bihar and the MPs of the NDA from the Bihar different parties are looking for. Whether it's going to be plum post, whether they're going to be independent minister, whether they'll be given Minister of State. So that will exactly, we all are keeping a close eye on particularly these smaller parties who are now, this time perhaps more powerful in the Union Cabinet.
My colleague there reporting on those developments that are taking place in Delhi at the moment. Several of those netas who've been parked in Delhi awaiting that phone call have started receiving that phone call. Jitan Ram Manjhi on your screens right now. He's received that phone call. Ashutosh, in fact, was witness to that moment when that phone call actually came from the Prime Minister's office. Several other allies have also started receiving those calls. Jitan Ram Manjhi and his son have now reached Amit Shah's residence, and after this they will be headed to the Prime Minister's residence for that Chai Pe Charcha with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Everyone who's received a call has been invited to 7 Lok Kalyan Marg at 11:30 a.m.